Hello and welcome to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we're going to be walking through a 2023 Crest Classic 220. This is one of our 22-foot offerings in the LX model. This is going to give you everything you need to get out on the water, enjoy the family, enjoy the lake with a very nice amenities. So we'll have nice storage up underneath with USB chargers in the front of the boat. So we move towards the midship. You'll have a nice built-in table right here. Easy to stow away and access your side door. The dash on this boat is going to be well equipped. You're going to have a Fusion head unit. This is going to be a Bluetooth unit that will allow you to play any music that you have on board through the 4 Fusion speakers. Nice hour meter, voltmeter, tachometer, and depth finder. As you see next to the helm, this does have a 13-person capacity. This model is going to be great for also anybody that likes to bring a lot out with them or is going to be trailering the boat. You'll have plenty of storage underneath the seats here and a ginormous back storage compartment that is a walk-in. So you can walk in. If you have some kids, you could use this as a changing room or just put your big inflatables, your tubes, your pool noodles, and then have access to your single battery on this one. Another great plus is this storage compartment over here. It's big enough for a full-size trash can, fenders, dock lines, and all of your other needs for a day on the lake. Aft of this boat is going to have a nice big deck. You're going to have a tow bar in the back, and this boat will be powered by a Mercury 150 outboard. That gives plenty of power on this boat to pull your tubers, your skiers off of this stainless steel tow bar. If you're interested in this Crest or any of the other in the lineup, please give us a call. MarineMax Georgia is here to help.